Students, now see the line. If you simply go after that thing you want with all of your capacity. See here, the word that is repeated twice for laying emphasis on what a person needs to go after in order to achieve success. See next lines. Strength and sagacity, faith, hope and confidence and stern pertinacity. Means if you see the words here, S sound has been repeated twice for poetic effect. Next one is climax. See strength, sagacity, faith, hope, confidence, pertinacity. These are arranged in an increasing order of their relative importance. So the figure of speech is climax. Next one is repetition. Repetition means which word is repeated here and is repeated thrice. See next line. If neither cold or poverty, famished or gaunt. Means cold, poverty, famished, gaunt are arranged in an increasing order of their relative importance. You might have seen climax in films also. Or sickness or pain of body and brain. See here, body and brain. Here B sound has been repeated for better poetic effect. So the figure of speech is alliteration. Another one is climax. Sickness, pain, as well as body, brain are arranged in an increasing order of their relative importance. And next word which has been repeated is or. It has been repeated twice, so the figure of speech is repetition. Now see the line. If dogged and grim you besiege and beset it. Which sound is repeated here? Besiege and beset. B sound has been repeated for better poetic effect. So alliteration. The next one is tautology. Two words which mean dogged and grim which have the same meaning. What is the meaning of these words? To be stubborn or and unyielding. Okay.